So these are bubble braids, and that's the tutorial that I'm doing for you today. My name is Eve Mafupa and I'm a natural hairstylist. I'm here to teach you how to do a lot of natural hairstyles. So if you're new here, check my channel. There's lots of content on natural hair. Now back to this tutorial. I'm doing big sections and I'm braiding at the base and then twisting at the ends. That way it's not difficult to take out. Blonde or black? Okay, we are going with black because that is safer. Well, she doesn't normally do colors, so yeah, that is safe for her. In any case, what I basically do is I crochet the hairpiece at the base of each and every braid and then just space it out nicely so that it is a good length, the length that we are going for. I take a few strands and then I start wrapping at the base of the hair. And then to get the next bubble, I tie a knot. And then I wrap several times on that space that I am creating the bubble. And then I go on to the next one and then I just tie a knot again. And then I wrap several times. I just make sure that actual hair is safely wrapped inside because it's supposed to be a protective style. So when the strand has become shorter, I just take some more strands from the hair that is already on her head and then I incorporate the ones that have become shorter into the ones that I'm bubbling. And then those ones that can still be straight and become longer, those are the ones that I start using to create the bubbles. When I get to the end, I wrap a little bit more and then I also create several knots so that doesn't unravel, so that it doesn't come out. As I said, I'm using Afro bulk, so I just basically use one bundle of the Afro bulk and I just divide it in half, crochet one part into the hair and then crochet the other one into the hair as well, so that I'm not crocheting them all at the same time. That may be painful. So I prefer crocheting half of it and then crocheting the next half. So like I said, I basically take some strands and then start wrapping at the base of the hair so that I can start creating the bubble. To make the next one, I'm making a knot and then start wrapping around that one as well. And then to go to the next, I create another knot according to where I want the bubble to be. I just make sure that the bubbles are almost the same. They're not exactly going to be all the same, but I just make sure that they're reasonably the same. Okay, so when the strand is finished, I just incorporate it into the bulk of the hair and then take another strand from that bulk. That's basically it.